how to change Facebook closed group to public. When you get into that file selection, you need to tap on the three dots right here. Then you need to get on your all shortcuts, go for groups on the first selection, and as you get there on that side, you need to open up a group selection which is related on your interests. And as you get into that file selection, as you can see, this group, it is on public side. But if you got into that selection and if you simply go for public, and you can take over and change that selection from the side section, which will take you to the main point. As you get right there, you're gonna go right away on that group selection, and simply as you get onto that file selection, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go on that settings bar on your right upper side, and then simply you're gonna tap on the right point setup or group settings on the first selection. And right after you get into that selection, what you're gonna do, simply have hide group. If you tap on that selection, it will get for visible, and if it's for example hidden, it will be a group selection which is on a private section, and you can take it to your public selection.